we're moving on to the next major articulation point, Ash-Shafatayn, the lips. So we have two makharij. Oh, and I forgot to say this, but for these articulation points, 3 letters, 1 makhraj. 3 letters, 1 makhraj. 3 letters, 1 makhraj. So I said it in the beginning, but I just wanted to make sure, I just wanted to clarify it, that these pictures, when they talk about the tip of the tongue, they're all separated in their own makhraj. Moving on to Shafatayn, so we have 2 specific articulation points for 4 different letters. Okay, so fa is by itself, and then ba, mim, and waw. Again, this is a waw that's not a letter of med. So wa yaqulu wa, that waw you're pronouncing from your lips. So fa, where do you pronounce fa from? So fa is articulated between the inside of the lower lips and the tips of the 2 front sides. So basically what it's saying is that your top front teeth, the edges, should be in the inside of your bottom lip. F. Some people, they pronounce fa, or like an F in English, with like their teeth are on their lip, like F, but you don't get that crisp hems, that airflow. So it has to be on the inside of your bottom lip. F. Okay? So that's in its own makhraj. And then we have ba, mim, and waw, when waw is not a letter of med, from the actual lips itself. So ba is a letter of qalqala. So it's when your lips have a strong closing. Ab, bab. Okay? That should be no problem. We have the letter B in English. Mim. What's the difference between mim and ba? Mim has a soft closing. So when your lips touch, they touch carefully. So that's why there's no qalqala. So ba has a stronger closing, that's why there's qalqala. So when we pronounce mim, we say it's pronounced from the lips, okay, with a softer closing than ba. And you'll see again the arrows coming out of the khayshum. That's because mim is a letter of ghunna. So if you say the word again, just like noon, try plugging your nose. It's very hard to pronounce, okay? That's why there's those arrows coming out of the khayshum. So mim is a letter of ghunna. And finally, waw. So again, the example, وَيَقُولُ. So wa, you'll notice that it has a fatha on it. So whenever you see waw or ya, and you don't see a harakah, then you know it's a letter of med. Okay? So since there is a fatha on the waw, then you know it's not a letter of med. Same thing with the ya, it has a fatha on it. Wa yaqulu. Okay, so waw again, pronounced from the lips, by circling the lips, wow. And then ya is pronounced from the middle part of the tongue. So that's it for the lips.